You are the only ladies of the household, I hope. I presume.
There's no one else, Your Grace.
Quite so. Good day. Good day.
Your Grace! Your Grace! Please, wait. May I try it on?
Oh, pay no attention to her.
It's only Cinderella.
Scully.
From the kitchen.
It's ridiculous. Impossible.
She's out of her mind.
Yes, just an imaginative child.
Madam, my orders were every maiden. My child. No! Oh, no. Oh, this is terrible. The king, what will he say? What will he do?
But perhaps if it would help.
No, nothing can help now. Nothing.
But you see, I have the other slipper.